Welcome back. I found some key differences that almost no one talks about. So watch to the end or you'll miss the most important part. If video editing software actually made us better editors, half of YouTube wouldn't still have jump cuts that feel like teleportation. Anyway, let's jump straight into pricing. DaVinci Resolve 20 has one of the most creator-friendly pricing models in professional video editing. There is a fully functional free version that already includes professional editing, color grading, audio, and visual effects tools. For many users, this free version is more than enough to produce commercial quality videos. The paid version, DaVinci Resolve Studio, is a one-time purchase rather than a subscription. You pay once and get lifetime access to updates, advanced AI tools, GPU acceleration, higher resolution exports, and additional effects. Compared to subscription-based software, this pricing model is extremely attractive for long-term creators. In contrast, Adobe Premiere Pro uses a subscription pricing model. You pay monthly or annually to maintain access, either as a standalone app or as part of the Creative Cloud bundle. Over time, this can become significantly more expensive, especially for solo creators or small teams. From a pricing perspective, DaVinci Resolve 20 clearly favors ownership and long-term value, while Adobe focuses on ongoing access and ecosystem integration. Now let's talk about what DaVinci Resolve 20 actually offers. DaVinci Resolve 20 is an all-in-one post-production suite that combines video editing, professional color grading, visual effects through Fusion, and audio post-production with Fairlight. This unified workflow allows creators to handle entire projects inside a single application without round-tripping between multiple programs. The editing experience is fast, precise, and built for both beginners and professionals. One of Resolve's biggest strengths is color grading. It is widely considered the industry standard for color correction, offering advanced scopes, node-based grading, HDR workflows, and cinematic color tools that far exceed most competitors. Resolve 20 also introduces expanded AI features like smart masking, voice isolation, object tracking, and automated scene detection, helping editors work faster while maintaining creative control. Another subtle advantage of DaVinci Resolve 20 is how future-proof it feels. Because Blackmagic Design owns both the software and much of the hardware used in professional film production, Resolve is built with long-term industry needs in mind rather than short release cycles. Updates often add meaningful professional features instead of cosmetic changes, and users keep those improvements without paying again. This makes Resolve especially appealing to creators who want stability, ownership, and a tool that grows with their skills, instead of resetting the rules every year. Resolve 20 supports high-resolution workflows, multi-camera editing, proxy generation, timeline collaboration, and advanced delivery options. The Fusion page allows node-based compositing and motion graphics, while Fairlight provides professional audio editing, mixing, and mastering tools. This makes Resolve especially appealing for filmmakers, YouTubers, and production teams who want studio-level capabilities without paying monthly fees. Now for the pros and cons. On the plus side, DaVinci Resolve 20 is incredibly powerful, offers a generous free version, and provides exceptional value with its one-time paid upgrade. It excels in color grading, performance, and all-in-one workflows. On the downside, Resolve has a steep learning curve, especially for beginners, and requires capable hardware for smooth performance on complex projects. But for creators willing to learn, DaVinci Resolve 20 delivers professional results without subscription pressure. Now let's move on to Adobe Premiere Pro, which takes a different approach focused on flexibility, familiarity, and ecosystem integration. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional, non-linear video editor that has been widely adopted across film, television, marketing, and online content creation. It's designed to fit seamlessly into the Adobe Creative Cloud ecosystem, making it especially attractive to teams already using tools like After Effects, Photoshop, and Audition. Premiere Pro offers a timeline-based editing experience that is intuitive and highly customizable. Editors can work with multiple video formats, resolutions, and frame rates on the same timeline. Features like multi-camera editing, proxy workflows, nested sequences, and advanced trimming tools make Premiere suitable for fast-paced production environments. Adobe has also introduced AI-powered features through Adobe Sensei, including automatic transcription, text-based editing, scene detection, and intelligent reframing. Another major reason many professionals stick with Adobe Premiere Pro is how deeply embedded it is in industry workflows. From freelance editors to large production houses, Premiere is often the default tool clients expect. Project files, presets, and timelines are easily shared across teams, which reduces friction when collaborating with other editors, motion designers, or sound engineers. This familiarity can be a big advantage when working under tight deadlines or jumping between projects created by different teams. Premiere also benefits from Adobe's constant cloud-based improvements. Features like shared team projects, cloud storage integration, and cross-device access allow editors to move between machines without breaking workflow. For agencies and distributed teams, this flexibility can outweigh the cost of the subscription. Premiere's frequent updates also mean faster adoption of new formats, codecs, and camera support, which is crucial in fast-moving production environments. One of Premiere's biggest strengths is its integration with After Effects. Motion graphics, titles, and visual effects can be sent seamlessly between apps using dynamic link, reducing export steps and speeding up workflows. Premiere also supports a massive plugin ecosystem, allowing editors to extend functionality with third-party transitions, effects, and workflow tools. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, Adobe Premiere Pro is flexible, industry-recognized, and deeply integrated with other creative tools. It's ideal for collaborative teams, agencies, and creators who rely on motion graphics and cross-application workflows. On the downside, Premiere Pro requires a subscription, which can become expensive over time. Performance can vary depending on system optimization, and some users experience stability issues on large projects compared to Resolve. In terms of ratings, both DaVinci Resolve and Adobe Premiere generally receive positive feedback from users, but Trustpilot data may be limited or inconsistent, especially for professional creative software. Ratings should be treated as general sentiment rather than definitive evaluation. Final takeaway, choose DaVinci Resolve 20 if you want maximum power, professional color grading, and long-term value with a one-time purchase. Choose Adobe Premiere Pro if you prioritize flexibility, industry familiarity, and deep integration with the Adobe ecosystem. If this comparison helped, like and subscribe to the channel, and click the link below to access the software and choose the editing tool that best fits your creative workflow.